come left a bit. Oh. Yeah, no, that's big. Good. Yeah, you want to go back and go left a bit.
Yeah, sorry, I was lining up that front one, it was wrong. I just stuck up there.
About 100 mil out.
Yeah.
How much side? Yeah.
I mean, we can slide on it.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm still resting down in the bucket right side.
Yeah. Yeah, you come good. Yeah. Side shift a bit to the right. Maybe come back with your wheels, hook back right this way. Yeah.
That's a bit straight, isn't it?
Trouble anyway, probably just come down.
Yeah, come down, just start lining up.
Yeah.
Well, just hold that for a minute, just wait for one.
Yeah.
You went the whole way into it and then get the jib in.
Yes. I'll back it up that in.
What's that, drag? Push it or? Got to?
Yeah.
At least know we know it's got to fall.
Maybe we can. Oh, you're moving it down.
Feels like it's coming off that end.
Yeah.
Like it can't fall either way now. Okay, so.
Yeah, ready, set, slide. Ready, set, slide.
Okay.
Ready, set, slide. Whoa.
What's up?
Nothing.
Oh, we can go that way, just go that way.
Yeah.
Do another mill.
No. Ready, set. Oh, it's getting caught up on this thing.
Oh shit, alright.
Oh.
Give me a, I'll give you a hand.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa, yep. Not too fast, that's good.
Oh, take the bottom of that one now then.
Yeah, no,
So I'll solve this. Yep.
Just wanted to do a video on this houseboat build while everyone's on holidays. It's nice and quiet at the factory. So this boat's about 10.4 metres by 4 metres wide. Just doing the decking on it now. This is going to be a swim step. So we're just making sure there's no electrolysis between the aluminium and the stainless steel by using plastic inserts. So the step's going to be in the water. This one's got polyethylene floats, our 840 litre model, all in segments. Using 3mm sheet aluminium plate decking, riveted on with silicone. And then it's a 50 by 50 box section frame to hold the sheets on the wall sheets. There's the nose cone, that's the front, the sharp end of the boat, as they call it, the bow. Some grab rails, front door. Another grab rail and a cleat, tie-up cleat, which will be going on. If you're interested in building a boat, give us a call or email at sales@marinedocksystems.com. This will have very long life, being polyethylene floats, non-corrosive aluminium. This one will be going in salt water, so it needs to be very corrosive resistant. There's another houseboat base. That one's 10 metres by 3.6 metres. There's a couple of pontoon boats which we have for sale at the moment. If you'd like to inquire, please do. Here's our stock of polyethylene floats for docks, pontoons, houseboats. Please subscribe to see more. You'll see this boat. We'll do a video of it, hopefully, when it's finished. So please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Comment. Do you love to live on the water? Let us know where you're at, what the restrictions are of living on the water in your area. In Australia, you only have to move the boat every 3 days for it legally not to be on a mooring. There we go, bit of background noise. Thanks for watching.